Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change the notification sound for an app on Samsung Galaxy phones. So here is my Galaxy A35 and if you want to change the notification sound for a specific app like Messages or for Gmail, it is very easy. First you need to go to settings and here tap on notifications. Here tap on advanced settings, go down and here we have manage notification categories for each app. You need to enable this feature. And now the notification categories menu will appear on the notification settings screen for each app. Now I will go back and I will go down and here we have apps. Tap to go inside and here I will search for messages. And I have two messages apps. The first one is from Google and the second one is from Samsung. I will go to the first one and here tap on notifications, go down and now we have here notifications categories. Tap to go inside and here tap on incoming messages and from here you can change the notification sound. Here there is the sound. Now I have the default notification sound Spaceline. Tap to go inside and from here just choose your favorite one. Let's say this one for example, and now go back and as you can see now I have a new notification sound for messages. So it is very easy. Now if you want to change this notification sound for a different app, just search for the specific app. Let's say for example Gmail. Here there is. And here again tap on notifications. Go down, tap on notifications categories. And here tap on mail. And here I have sound. Again, the default notification sound is Spaceline, just tap to go inside. And from here, just choose your favorite one. Let's say, for example, this one. Now tap back. And as you can see, now I have a new notification sound for Gmail. Okay, so it is very easy. And now go back and you can exit. And that's all. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.